Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by collecting evidence and repairing obvious system corruption. Open Event Viewer and note the shutdown error ID and times so you know what to target. Next, confirm power hardware. Test the adapter, battery, and power plan settings. Make sure sleep and hybrid options are off. Run sfc/scano, then dism restore health to fix damaged Windows files. Once done, reboot and check if the unexpected shutdown repeats before moving to driver and firmware checks. Now you troubleshoot deeper. Update BIOS or UEFI firmware using the manufacturer's utility because firmware bugs often cause power loss. Update chipset, GPU, and network drivers from trusted vendor sites. If a new driver caused the issue, roll back and test. Perform a clean boot to isolate third-party services and uninstall recent apps installed just before the problem began. Monitor temperatures and stability during this phase. Make sure to keep logs so you can correlate changes with any remaining shutdowns. Finish by verifying physical components and recovery options. Check the power supply or adapter with a multimeter and swap the battery or PSU if possible. Inspect cooling, reseat heatsinks and reapply thermal paste, then run a CPU/GPU stress test in safe mode or minimal environment to watch behavior. If software remains suspect, use Windows Recovery to reset or perform a clean install. If problems persist, the key troubleshooting tip is to isolate by swapping suspected hardware parts one at a time while.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.